Shout out to Liz. A. A says the price of a winter coat and a 20% discount.
Wait, don't you have to restart the video then?
No.
But you just said somebody's name.
Liz is not an actual student of mine anymore. I don't even have a student named Liz this year.
My name is
Let me explain it to you so you don't know. Liz is, when I first started recording these videos in like 2008 or 2009, I had a student. Her name was Liz. Liz sat in the front row because she liked to talk a lot. Pretty much the same reason why you're in the front row. And every time I started one of these videos, Liz would say, give me a shout out. And it's like, no shout out. So if you watch some of my earlier videos, they start off with me going, no shout outs. And I would just keep teaching. But she graduated a long time ago. She is no longer a student. I was telling the story to my other class, and they said, well, now that she's not your student, you should give her a shout out. And I was like, okay, shout out to Liz. For some reason, now the whole school, every time I start a video, goes, shout out to Liz. So I'm going to have to send this video to Liz so she knows that she's like thousands of people are giving her shout outs. All right. Anyways, let's do some math. Nice try. The price of a winter coat and a 20% discount. Which one of these matches that? Well, remember that the 20% is going to be like this. So the X would be the price of the winter coat. Now, because it's a discount, that means we're going to subtract, and then we're going to say 0.20 times X. Now, if you think about this being a 1 and you add that together, isn't that 0.80x? So this one would be A. Let's do this one. A base salary of an employee and a 2% salary increase. Again, we move our decimal 1, 2 spaces. So it would be X, the base salary, plus, because we're adding an increase of 0.02. But if you think of it, that gets multiplied by X, and then we have a 1 here. 1 plus 0.02 is 1.02X. So which one is that one? This one here. C, the cost of groceries and a 2% discount. That's going to be here. D, the number of students attending the school last year and a 20% increase. Well, it's got to be D. That's the only option we have left. Okay. Now, this one's going to be a little harder. I need you guys to reach under your chairs and grab your thinking cap. Put it on your head. Hey, put your thinking cap on. Let's go. Oh, doesn't fit your head. Interesting. All right, so now it says a student is given a rectangle and a square that is shown. The student states the two figures have the same perimeter. Are they correct? So that means perimeter means we add up the sides. So because this is a rectangle, we can assume this. So the perimeter of this one, we'll call this perimeter of rec for rectangle, is equal to X. I'm just going to go around the rectangle. I'm going to start here and label all these things. X plus X4, or X plus 4, plus X plus X plus 4. I have 1, 2, 3, 4 X's. That's 4 times X. And what's 4 plus 4? 8. So the perimeter of this rectangle is equal to 4x plus 8. Now, on a square, all the sides are the same length. And you could think of the perimeter of the square as 4 times x plus 2. What's 4 times x? 4x. What's 4 times positive 2? Positive 8. Are they the same? 4x plus 8, 4x plus 8, yes. The same. Okay. Question number 26, and then I think we're done. Actually, you know what? Let's just stop there. Any questions?